I am so excited to read this story to you today. It's about this great big bear who is sleeping and something important happens. What do you think could happen? Let's find out. It's called Bear Snores On. We were given permission by Simon & Schuster Children's Publishing to share this book with you today. Our author is Karma Wilson, and our illustrator is Jane Chapman. What do you think might happen while Bear is sleeping? Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. A itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tip-toe, creeps, crawls in the cave from a fluffy cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," cries Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. I like popcorn. Do you? Mouse sips wee sips. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scutters by, sniff, snuff at the air. "I smell something yummy, yum. Perhaps we can share." Do you think Mouse and Hare will share? "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up and cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, and a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. What do you think Bear will do? Do you think he'll be angry or mad that all of this is happening? Do you think he'll be happy and excited to find everyone there? What do you think? How would you feel? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see! We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Aw, Mouse is such a good problem solver. Do you think this will work?" Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blistery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Aw, that's the end of our great story. What happened while Bear was sleeping? How did he feel when he woke up? He was kind of sad. But our little friend Mouse was such a good problem solver, and he said it's okay. Let's have more. Let the party keep going. And they had more fun together. And then his friends fell asleep and Bear was awake. What do you think will happen next?